What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in gadget reviews. Today, I've got something really exciting: the Huawei Mate XT, the foldable smartphone that's pushing the boundaries of design and innovation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a productivity pro, or just love cutting-edge gadgets, this device promises to deliver. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive right in and see what this foldable beast is all about. This phone feels like something straight out of the future. The Mate XT is built with precision, offering a premium, foldable design that transforms from a phone to a tablet in seconds. It features an 8-inch OLED display when fully unfolded, which makes it perfect for multitasking, gaming, or just enjoying media. But here's what sets it apart. Even when folded, you get a massive 6.6-inch display on the front, so you're not sacrificing any screen space at all. Guys, if you're already loving what you see, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Huawei Mate XT, and you can also support the channel by using that affiliate link. Under the hood, the Mate XT is packing the Kirin 995G chipset, which is still one of the most powerful processors around. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or just navigating through apps, this phone handles everything effortlessly. Plus, it comes with a huge 4500 mAh battery that keeps you powered all day, even with heavy use. And Huawei's EMUI software combined with Android gives you tons of productivity features, especially for multitasking in that big tablet mode. Let's talk about cameras because Huawei never disappoints here. The Mate XT has a 40MP main sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto lens. That means stunning photos whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or even zoomed-in shots. The foldable design actually gives you more flexibility too. You can use the rear cameras for selfies by folding the phone, so you're always using the best sensors for your photos. Now, this phone is clearly not for everyone, but if you're someone who loves staying on top of the latest tech, someone who values productivity, or even just enjoys having the best display for your media consumption, the Huawei Mate XT is absolutely worth considering. It's not just a phone, it's a whole new experience. So, what do you think of the Huawei Mate XT? Are you ready to fold your way into the future? If you're interested in picking one up, don't forget to check out the affiliate link down below. It helps the channel at no extra cost to you. And as always, smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, subscribe if you haven't already for more gadget breakdowns, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.